On today's roads, Teslas are impossible to ignore. With built-in cameras rolling at all times, these cars often capture moments no one else would believe. And when they're not filming themselves, it's usually the people around them who hit record, making sure nothing goes unnoticed, from late-night stunts to shocking acts of vandalism. Teslas always seem to find their way into the spotlight, and what was caught this time might just leave you speechless. January 30th, 2025, somewhere in the United States. Just after sunset, when most people let their guard down, a figure slowly approaches a parked car. They look around, making sure no one is watching. And then, without breaking a window, without setting off an alarm, somehow, they manage to unlock it. They slip inside, move fast, and head straight for the center console. Within seconds, personal belongings are gone, stolen right under the owner's nose. This is how quickly it can happen. It only takes seconds for a thief to take everything you thought was safe. Later, the police arrived at the scene, but they didn't see anyone.
Step back inside.
Car break-ins like this aren't rare. In the United States, more than 700,000 vehicles were stolen in 2023 alone, and millions more were broken into. Most happen in quiet neighborhoods, right outside people's homes, just like this one. April 21st, 2023, San Francisco, California. A man parks his car near 9th and Irving, right next to a Bank of America. He steps out, heading for a Mexican restaurant, just 15 minutes away from his vehicle. But in that short window of time, a thief makes his move. Without hesitation, the back window is smashed. The glass shatters, and within seconds, the thief slips inside, grabbing a gym bag from the trunk, not even checking what's inside, and disappearing. When the owner returns, he finds the broken glass scattered across the seat. The bag is gone, and so is the thief. He calls 911, but no one shows. At the station, he finds another victim with the same story. Even with the footage, the case goes nowhere. Across the US, vehicle theft surged 28% between 2019 and 2023, despite decades of declining rates. And while San Francisco isn't the worst hit city, it's still part of a broader pattern of rising auto crime in urban centers. November 5th, 2023, Anaheim, California. On a quiet street, a bizarre scene unfolds. A white Tesla Model 3, driving with an electric toy car strapped to its roof. Inside that toy car, an adult. But then, things spiral out of control. The toy car slips, loses control, and smashes straight into another Tesla parked nearby. Metal collides, the impact is caught on camera, and instead of taking responsibility, the suspects flee the scene, leaving behind the damage and plenty of questions. When the damage was discovered, the insurance claim followed. With video evidence, no one could deny. This wasn't just a weird toy car crash and getaway. Every year, 1 in 250 licensed drivers in the US experience a hit and run. And just like this crash, most happen fast, without warning, and the suspect vanishes. June 11th, 2024, Bellevue, Washington. A morning commute like any other. Cars moving steady until one driver makes a reckless move. Attempting to overtake from the right, the vehicle loses control. It swerves left, slamming into the median, before momentum tears it back across the lanes, smashed violently into a wall. In seconds, the morning calm turns into chaos, and it's all caught on camera. Crashes caused by drivers losing control are more common than you'd think. In the US, about 1 in 45 crashes stems from a loss of control. This wasn't just chaos in motion, it was part of a much larger traffic danger. April 7th, 2023, Honolulu, Hawaii. Inside a parking garage, a bizarre scene is unfolding. A Tesla rolls forward, dragging a charging unit wedged underneath the car. The driver, an older woman, has no idea what's happening.
Ma'am, stop driving.
Even when someone tries to warn her, she doesn't understand and nearly drives off again.
You ran over the whole sign. You're on the sign. Look come out, look.
Only when she steps out does the reality sink in. the charging station crushed beneath her vehicle, and confusion written all over her face, all of it filmed by a passerby. Across the US, about 94% of serious crashes are linked to human error. Not speed, not weather, just drivers unaware of what's happening around them. No sense of their surroundings until it's too late. June 16, 2025, London, United Kingdom. A Tesla clips an Uber and nearly loses control. Both drivers stop, the Tesla driver furious, shouting, blaming everyone else. The argument heats up.
Here.
How have I hit?
How the how have I hit you?
So consuming that neither driver notices what's happening behind them. A motorbike slams into the back of the Uber. The rider lies on the ground, struggling on the pavement, but both drivers remain locked in their argument.
Think about it. You're in the middle lane. I'm on the outside lane.
How have I hit you?
You have hit
from in front
here.
of me.
Arguing so fiercely, they saw nothing else. Not the crash, not the rider, not the danger. Two crashes, seconds apart, turning one street into chaos. In the US and Europe, human error is behind over 90% of road accidents. Most stem from drivers too distracted or too consumed by anger to notice the danger around them. March 11th, 2019, Dallas, Texas. On Interstate 35, three colleagues spot a Tesla drifting in the middle lane. At first, nothing unusual, until they see inside. Both the driver and passenger completely asleep. Shocked, they record video and call police, following the car for over 20 minutes. Through traffic, through construction, still no reaction. Then, autopilot disengages. The Tesla swerves, nearly slams the barrier, and stops on the center shoulder. Only then do the two wake up, stumbling out, safe but shaken. What could have ended in disaster played out like a surreal scene on the highway. Tesla's autopilot is far from flawless. Since 2019, US safety data links it to more than 700 crashes and at least 17 deaths. This wasn't just a close call, it's part of a growing safety crisis. September 17th, 2023, Blackpool, England. It's just after 1 in the morning when this Tesla's cameras start rolling. Out of nowhere, a young man runs straight across the entire length of the car, from hood to roof to trunk. When the owner checked the footage later, he couldn't believe what he was seeing. In England and Wales, there are over 164,000 recorded incidents of criminal damage to vehicles each year, most of which go unsolved or unpunished. This kind of bizarre behavior may be rare, but it's exactly why built-in surveillance tools like Sentry Mode are becoming critical. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Stay tuned because there's always another story to tell.